In the heart of London during the vibrant 1950s, 3 boys and 3 girls, all of Jamaican heritage, formed an unbreakable bond. Max, with his infectious laughter, was a banker. Leonard, the jokester, was a taxi company owner, and Andrew, the quiet thinker, was a shop owner, came together after their grandparents had traveled from Jamaica in the 1800s, seeking a better life. Their roots, laden with stories of sun-soaked beaches and Kamaina dance, now transitioned into ska rhythms, intertwined with the pulse of the bustling UK. Meanwhile, Vivine, with her graceful moves, was a model. Simone, the spark of energy, was a dance teacher, and Pauline, the wise soul, was a school teacher. They all shared the same lineage, some of their other ancestors having sailed over on the Windrush sparked memories of their history from the 1800s to the 1950s. As weekends approached, the Sunset Club on Carnaby Street called to them like a siren's song. Each Friday night, they would gather outside the club, freshly dressed, with excitement bubbling in their hearts. The moment the music started, the dance floor transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors and laughter. The boys would spin the girls, their feet moving to the ska and romantic reggae beats that echoed the island's essence. Under the soft glow of dim lights, friendships flourished. They bonded over tales of their grandparents, who brought the rich Jamaican culture to the UK, planting the seeds of identity that now blossomed in them. They danced with joy and celebration, their souls entwined, bringing a taste of Jamaica to the heart of London. As the night drew to a close, they stepped outside, the cool breeze wrapping around them, knowing they were not just friends, but a family crafted by history, united by rhythm, and celebrating their shared rich and wonderful heritage under the stars.